Hello everyone, allow us to introduce our project titled CosRent, a web-based cosplay costume rental management system. The members are Garcia Pasaribu as a leader group and Akbar Zamroni as member group and Rangga Surya Saputra also a member group. Diving in background, we found that growing cosplay community in Batam business opportunity for cosplay rental. And we found four critical issues stand out: complex inventory management, manual book, no sizing charts, and hard to trace quality control. Moving on into problems, we guiding research questions such as prevent double booking, present informative digital catalog, and simplify admin management panel. And also we found three objectives that are build an automatic schedule validation that stops duplication or order, and we provide a complete product detail view, full custom set, and sizing charts before renting. And on the last is produce. We produce an efficient dashboard for faster item recording and quality control check. Our development process followed five stages. It began with requirement analysis. This was followed by system design. Next was implementation. Then we proceed to testing. And finally, evaluation to verify the system against the initial requirement.
Thank you, Chris. Once the requirement and methodology were clear, we designed the CosRent system as a whole. This diagram illustrates the interaction flow between the customers, the admin, and the rental application and the database. Every bookings and customer data is stored centrally, allowing the admin to monitor it in real time. This use case diagram shows the two main actors in the system, the customers and the administrator. Customer can log in, make a booking, upload payment proof, and even participate in community forum. Meanwhile, the admin is responsible for managing customs data, verifying payments, and recording returns along with any penalties. For the data structure, we designed an ARD with core entities such as users, costumes, category, transaction, and returns, all connected through relationships. This structure is the foundation for the dynamic availability and pessimistic locking mechanisms, which we'll cover in more detail later. Next, Akbar will walk you through the live demonstration of the CosRent system.
Okay, the first thing that we have is the home page where you will be first directed to when you enter our website. Second is the contact page where you will be able to contact any of the admins. We have the About Us page where you will know about everything that you need to know about CosRent. And the fourth is the login page for users that already have account. And the second page is the fifth page is the forum page where you will be able to write anything in the community. Now we have the register page where new users can register their account. And third, we have the product page where we'll include the detail of every costume. And then we have the rental guide for new users who doesn't know how to do rental, we can go there to know how to do it. Then we have the booking form where the user will have to check this again which costume they want and confirm it again. Third, we have the dashboard for the user where they will see every activity that they do. And then we have the details costume page where you can choose the size and date of the rental form. Then we have the late costume penalties where users who haven't paid the costume yet users who didn't return the costume on time will get penalties. Then we have the profile page where users can edit their profile. Then we have the rental history where the user can view their rental history. Then we have the success pop-up where new users who have uploaded the proof will have that, and or the booking. Then we have the admin. In the admin, we have the dashboard where all admin can view overall activity for the admin. Then the second is the profile for the admin, where the admin can edit their profile as well. And then the admin can also access the forum mods. Then the admin can also manage the costume categories by editing or deleting the costumes. Then the admin can manage the user account, which means they can delete or edit their account. Then the admin can validate the payment. which means they can reject the payment or accept it. And we have the record return and penalties, where the admin can view the record for their costumes and penalize and
Thank you, Akbar. Now that you've seen the system in action, let's move to the testing results. We conducted black box testing using equivalence partitioning and boundary value analysis. Producing 100 test cases, three core features, dynamic availability, pessimistic locking, and late fee calculation, all passed testing with no critical defect found. During development, we faced three main challenges. First, preventing double bookings when two customers try to reserve the last unit at the same time. We solve this with a pessimistic locking at the database level. Second, inaccurate stock data from manual counting. We replace it with availability calculated dynamically from active transaction. Third, keeping penalty fee calculation consistent. We centralize it, the logic within the transaction model, ensuring the result is always accurate and never negative. So overall, the CosRent successfully digitalized the cosplay custom rental workflow from authentication, catalog browsing, bookings, and payment verification to the community forums. The system also automatically track returns and calculate penalties with dynamic availability and less booking mechanisms that temporarily stores data in.
Alright, thank you, Rangga. For future development, we have identified several recommendations to further improve the system. First, we integration with the online payment gateway, and we automated email deliver for password reset, and we also admit dashboard optimizing for mobile device, and report export feature in PDF and Excel form. That concludes our presentation of the CosRent project. Thank you.